Star Atlas DAO as of now exchanges close 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO, especially in every practical sense, has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Paulus cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a fundamentally especially huge manner in an unobtrusive manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO in every practical sense, for the most part is drifting at $305,944, which actually generally is very huge, which truly is genuinely critical. 02 September 2023. In this video, we will quite walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, extremely 1 week from now, and basically explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time, actually in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts. What truly is essentially kind of transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, all things considered, really is Paulus a fundamentally by and large wise interest in a decently in every way that really matters, huge way. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, for the most part commonly in opposition to mainstream thinking in a huge way. Yet prior to jumping decently fundamentally profound into the Paulus specialized examination, explicitly in every practical sense, let us certainly discuss the especially current economic situations, which generally is very critical in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense, most certainly last 24 hours, there especially fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially truly whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332. Which sort of truly is very huge, which in a real sense, is genuinely critical. The kind of especially complete exchanging volume in a real sense, generally remains at $29,925,801,445, which especially really is very huge in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in a decently especially significant manner in an unobtrusive manner, which especially basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $25,926.63 level after a vertical development of 0.6%. So Star Atlas DAO at present exchanges close 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO actually basically has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in a kind of huge manner in a kind of significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.59%. Coming to $1,639.72 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.95 following a value change of 0.66% inside a similar time span, reasonably really in spite of prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. XRP, the by and large especially local coin of XRP, certainly in every practical sense, is up by 0.14. And as of now exchanging at 50 cents, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in an especially beautiful significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, reasonably all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking in a very significant manner. These occasions in a real sense for the most part show that the market by and large for the most part is going in a very truly descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.33% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally basically has a strength of 16.33% in a very especially enormous manner, which for the most part is very huge. Right now, a pretty especially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how 02 September 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for very 1 week from now, and explicitly basically attempt to answer these regularly, especially essentially clarified some pressing issues facts. What for the most part by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, especially in every way that really matters, is Paulus a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Star Atlas DAO execution. The especially truly current Star Atlas DAO cost certainly explicitly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the beyond 24 hours, which essentially most certainly is very critical in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, Paulus by and large generally is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD. The especially truly love Star Atlas DAO cost today sort of truly is $111,014 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $178,833 United States dollars. Truly further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO sort of for the most part is drifting at $305,944 in an unobtrusive manner. We in a real sense really update our Paulus to United States dollars cost progressively, showing that market examination over the fundamentally essentially last 24 hours, there in a real sense by and large was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $1,044,536,289,332, or so they fundamentally thought, which by and large is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO basically by and large is down 503% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, showing how Star Atlas DAO execution the very especially current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part truly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the truly beyond 24 hours in a pretty genuinely huge manner in an unpretentious manner. The pretty especially current can market cap certainly genuinely positioning by and large generally is number 610. With a live market cap of $16,985,733 United States dollars, exhibiting his Star Atlas DAO right in exchanges close 32 cents. The cost of Star Atlas DAO actually explicitly has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in a kind of huge manner, which especially shows that Star Atlas DAO basically explicitly is down 503% in the especially most recent 24 hours. Showing how Star Atlas DAO execution the very genuinely current Star Atlas DAO cost for the most part explicitly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the actually quite beyond 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. It especially has a circling supply of 153,005,849 Paulus coins, and a maximum, so presently, Paulus sort of is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 USD. Essentially love Star Atlas DAO cost today explicitly in a real sense is $111,014 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $178,833 United States dollars.